What's up guys, कैसे आप सब लोग? Welcome back to another video. So today I am going to unbox a new parcel. You can see I bought this parcel from the Flipkart, and in this parcel it contains X-Acto knife. So let's start the unboxing. So now we will take our cutter and we will cut it from here, and from the back side. No, it is open from, yes, you can see guys, here our X-Acto knife is there, and yes, it will come like this. You can see guys, our X-Acto knife is here. You can say detail knife also. And now we will put this box aside, and now we will open this. So guys, you can see this is for precision cutting, matte cutting, fine angle cutting, stripping, carving, mechanical art, artworking. You can see this is written here, and back side also. And there is a warning also. Extremely sharp blades, used with caution. Wear safety goggles. So this is a caution. Please put it along the reach of the children, because this is a very sharp item. So now we will open it. Simply put it like this. And I think I open it. And it comes out. But we have to pull it. So guys, you can see our X-Acto knife is here, and this is the extra sharp, and this is an extra sharp blade. You can open it like this. There are there are 5 blades. You can see these are very sharp. You have to stay very carefully. And come to the point, it has oil also, it has greasing. Now this is our X-Acto knife. You can see this is the sharpness. If I cut something, you can see it has scratch. I have only put like a simple hand. You can see my hand weight is light on this. I am putting the light pressure, and you can see it's for me a scratch. So this is our X-Acto knife. So guys, I am seeing and I am rotating this, and I had seen that it can open like this. You can see the blade is different, and this is different. You can see we can change our blade also like this. We have opened and we have to change. We can put this also. Okay, we will put it also like this. So guys, you can see this is our blade, and now we will test it. So we have to try it like this. We have to put the pointed part. We have to not do like this, because if we do like this, so the blade will broke up and it will come into our eyes. That's why it is given that please, the warning is please do it with the safety goggles. You can see. So now we will try it. How you can see guys, it had come like this. I'll show you. It is so sharp. You can see the paper has come, and it is not a paper, it is a cardboard. So you can see. So this is our X-Acto knife. This is the blade case. We can put our blades inside this. And so I hope that you like the X-Acto knife. So I hope that you like this video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. So that's the next video. So goodbye.
Yeah.